Okay, everybody. So you've gotten your ratio of forearm to hand length here, and C3 divided by B3, which is totally cool. And you've copied it down. Now the problem is you probably are going to get tired of looking through here for that phi number. So I'm going to show you a real quick data thing you can do in Excel, which is called sorting. So what you want to do, let me zoom in a little bit here. It's pretty quick, actually. Just left click and highlight the first value that you want to sort, and then select all the way down to the bottom of that which you want to sort. Okay, so we've selected now a couple hundred, 237 numbers it looks like. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come up to data, and you're going to go to sort AZ pointing downward. And what that's going to do is it's going to put the smallest value in that list at the top, and then it's going to have the largest value at the bottom and have them all sorted accordingly. So I'm going to hit left click that. It always asks you this. It says, do you want to expand the selection or continue? And in all the times I've done this, very rarely do I use the second option. What expand the selection means is when I press sort, I'll just show you. What that does is it sorts it. So now they're in order, smallest to greatest. But it also brought the hand and forearm lengths, along. So in other words, the smallest value is 1.125. That was found by someone who had a hand length of 8 inches and a forearm length of 9. And the largest value is all the way at the bottom here at 2.4. Someone had a hand length of 5 and a forearm length of 12. So it just, when you sort it by expanding, it also includes the cells that are adjacent to it and brings them along for the ride. Okay, that should be a little bit easier for you to sort through and look to see what kind of mathematics you got going on. All right, hope that helped. See ya.